Today's topic is fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole thing or a part of a group of things. Types of fractions. There are three types. One is proper fraction, two is improper fraction, and three is mixed fraction. Proper fraction is a numerator is smaller than denominator. For example, 2 by 4, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, etc. Second, improper fraction. Improper fraction is numerator is larger than denominator. For example, 8 by 6, 10 by 4, 15 by 10, etc. Next, third one, mixed fraction. Whole number and a fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 6 by 4. These are the fractions.